Want to share important updates or your latest creations with everyone at once? Here's how to build your own broadcast channel on Telegram. First, open up your Telegram app. We're going to tap on the search icon at the very top of your screen. In the search bar, type New Channel and select the option that appears, which will be usually right at the top. This brings us to the Create Channel screen. Go ahead and tap that Create Channel button. Now, let's give your channel a name and add a profile picture. You can tap the icon to upload an image, maybe your logo or a picture that represents your content. Then, type in a clear and engaging name for your channel and a brief description so people know what to expect. Next, choose your channel type for broadcasting to a large audience. Select Public Channel. This means anyone can find and join your channel. Telegram will then suggest a unique link for your channel. You can keep this auto-generated one, or tap the pencil icon to customize it to something more memorable, like your username or brand name. Now, you can choose to add some initial subscribers from your contacts, or just tap Skip for now. To finish setting up, you can always invite people later. And there you have it. Your very own Telegram channel is ready. You can now start sharing messages, updates, news, photos, videos, and so much more with your subscribers. To post, simply tap the message icon down at the bottom and type your message. Just like you would in a regular chat, your content will appear instantly for all your followers. So go ahead, create your channel, and start sharing your message with the world, one broadcast at a time.